These companies are outperforming and their share prices are vaulting higher. Robinhood Markets. Trading volumes are surging on the stock investing app. MicroStrategy. The company's Bitcoin strategy has its stock up 145% year to date. ARM Holdings. The chipmaker's share price has more than doubled since its IPO. Let's dive in. The luck of the investor. Here are the three stocks for a pot o gold portfolio. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. Opportunities abound in the current market. With the rally stretching into its second year, the share prices of many stocks are flying high. Multiple catalysts are driving equities upwards. These include strong corporate earnings, anticipation of lower interest rates, a huge rally in cryptocurrencies, and some big initial public offerings that have occurred since last fall or are coming around the corner this year. It all adds up to a market that is at record highs and individual stocks that are steadily climbing. For investors, now is the time to capitalize on the euphoria and take positions in stocks to buy in March that can lead to future fortunes. With St. Patrick's Day arriving on March 17th, here is the luck of the investor. Three stocks to buy in March for a pot o gold portfolio. Number 1. Robinhood Markets. It's been a while since good things were happening at stock trading app Robinhood Markets. However, the company and stock are on an upswing right now as trading volumes surge with retail investors piling back into the stock market and chasing the rally in cryptocurrencies. Robinhood reported that equity trading volumes totaled $80.90 billion in February, up 36% from January and up 41% from a year ago. Many investors and traders, particularly those focused on crypto, pulled out of the market during a prolonged downturn in 2022 that sent the price of Bitcoin below $16,000. But now, with Bitcoin trading at an all-time high of $73,000, retail investors are back. Robinhood said that crypto trading volumes on its platform totaled $6.50 billion in February, up 10% from January and 86% higher than a year earlier. Robinhood stock is up 44% so far in 2024 and has gained 95% in the last 12 months. Number 2. MicroStrategy. When MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor said he was all in on Bitcoin, he meant it. The company continues to acquire Bitcoin hand over fist, announcing that it's raising another $500 million to buy even more of the largest cryptocurrency. Now referring to itself as a Bitcoin development company, MicroStrategy has raised $500 million through a convertible debt offering to purchase even more crypto. Earlier in March, MicroStrategy, which is still technically a business intelligence firm, raised $700 million and used the proceeds to buy an additional 12,000 Bitcoin. The company now holds 205,000 Bitcoin that's valued at just under $15 billion. Saylor appears to be accumulating as much Bitcoin possible ahead of a halving event that's scheduled for April 20th, when the amount of Bitcoin issued will be reduced by 50%. The Bitcoin strategy doesn't appear to be hurting MicroStrategy stock any. MicroStrategy is a solid option among stocks to buy in March, as its price is currently up 145% year to date. Number 3. ARM Holdings. The 6-month lockup period following the initial public offering of ARM Holdings just expired, and so far, nothing. Traders had been bracing for a potential sell-off in the stock as the lockup period ended, but so far there has been no sell-off at all in ARM Holdings stock. The share price is up 90% year to date, and it has risen 115% since the IPO took place in September 2023. Expectations for a sell-off in recent days were heightened by the fact that the company's largest shareholder is Japan's SoftBank Group, which owns 90% of the microchip and semiconductor designer. Some analysts were anticipating that SoftBank would sell a big chunk of the 900 million ARM shares it owns and use the proceeds to fund other investments or return capital to shareholders. But so far it's been crickets. The current situation suggests that SoftBank might be planning to hold ARM Holdings stock for the long haul. SoftBank's last public comment on ARM Holdings came during the company's earnings call in February, when management called ARM their most important asset. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.